Thinking about visiting the United States for tourism, family, or a short vacation? Wondering how to successfully apply for a US tourist visa from Nigeria? You're in the right place. I'm Tina from Law and Visas, your trusted immigration law firm. Today, I'll guide you through the complete step by step process for applying for a US B2 tourist visa, including the documents you need, helpful tips to improve your chances, and answers to common questions Nigerians ask. So here's what you need to do. First, you'll fill out the DS 160 form online. This is the official application for the US non immigrant visa, and you can find it at the US Embassy website. Take your time with this form. Be very careful to fill in all your details correctly. Double check your name, passport number, and all the personal info. When you're done, print a confirmation page. You'll need this for your interview, so don't lose it. Next, you'll pay the visa fee, which is $160. You can pay online or at the designated banks in Nigeria. Keep your receipt safe because you'll use it to book your appointment. After paying, schedule your appointments. You'll have two, one for your biometrics, fingerprints, and photo, and the other for your interview. You can choose either Abuja or Lagos, depending on what's more convenient for you. I always recommend booking early because the slots can fill up quickly. Now, before your interview, gather your documents. You'll need your valid Nigerian international passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months after your planned return date. The DS 160 confirmation page you printed. Your visa fee payment receipt. Two recent passport photos that meet US visa photo standards. Proof of your ties to Nigeria, like a letter from your employer, business registration papers, or property documents. This shows you have reasons to come back home. Financial documents, bank statements for the last 6 months, pay slips, or a sponsor letter if someone else is funding your trip. Your travel itinerary and where you plan to stay. When you go for your interview, be honest and confident. The consular officer will ask why you want to visit the US, how long you'll stay, who's paying for the trip, and about your job or business back home. Just answer clearly and don't try to add too much extra information. After your interview, the visa usually takes about 7 to 15 working days to process. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it takes longer if they need more time to review. So apply well in advance. I recommend at least 2 or 3 months before your planned travel. Now, some common questions Nigerians often ask. Do you need travel insurance? It's not required for the visa application itself, but I strongly suggest getting it. It protects you in case of emergencies during your trip. How much money should you show? There's no fixed amount, but your bank statements should clearly cover your flight, accommodation, and daily expenses. Showing steady income or sponsorship helps prove you can afford the trip. And can you apply without previous travel history? Yes, you can. Not having traveled abroad before doesn't automatically disqualify you. But because you don't have a travel record, you need to show strong reasons why you returned to Nigeria, like your job, family, or property. A few extra tips. Always be truthful. Never submit fake documents. It's better to be honest and provide explanations if needed. Also, organize your documents neatly and be ready to explain your travel plans if asked. Practice common interview questions so you don't get nervous. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical visa advice from Law and Visas. For personalized help, send us a DM. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on your journey to the US.